Is it a toy? Is it a hobby-grade crawler? Or is it the best bang for your buck scale truck on the market right now? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at a legend in the budget RC world. This is the WPL C24-1. You've seen it all over the internet, but is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. First things first, the looks. This is modeled after the iconic 1980s Toyota Hilux, and honestly, the hard body is stunning. For a truck that costs less than a tank of gas in a real car, the mold lines, the grille, and the snorkel are incredibly detailed. It's basically a model kit that you can actually drive. Meet the WPL C24-1, the ultimate 1/16 scale off-road RC crawler that brings real adventure right to your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned RC enthusiast, this little beast is built to climb, crawl, and conquer any terrain. Designed with precision and realism, the C24-1 features a full-scale simulation body that looks just like a real off-road pickup. From its rugged tires to its detailed chassis, every inch screams durability and style. With its powerful four-wheel drive system, this crawler handles mud, gravel, and steep inclines with ease. The torque-packed motor and flexible suspension make every obstacle a new challenge to master. Powered by a 7.4-volt rechargeable battery, the WPL C24-1 delivers up to 25 minutes of non-stop fun on a single charge. Just plug in, power up, and get ready to roll. And when the sun goes down, the built-in LED headlights light your way, adding that extra touch of realism to your night drives. The 2.4 GHz remote control gives you smooth, responsive handling with a range of up to 35 meters. Perfect for backyard adventures or outdoor trails. Whether you're gifting it to a young explorer or adding it to your RC collection, the WPL C24-1 is more than just a toy, it's an experience of control, creativity, and pure off-road excitement. Get your WPL C24-1 today and start your next adventure. Available now on AliExpress, link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome RC reviews and adventures.
Ah.